Welcome to another process video from Freddie and myself. Today I'm going to be making a Paris in the fall, Paris in autumn journal. It's going to be like a kit. It's going to be an envelope that can be sent through the mail, and everything's going to be there to create a journal. Let me explain more. I've got this wallpaper. You might have some wallpaper left over or scrapbook paper. Use what you have. But this wallpaper's left over from this wall here. You can see where the journals are hanging up there. This piece we've just put over the hatch because we've been decorating and Sam didn't want the dust to come through. So let me move my cup of tea there and move a few bits. I'm going to find it's New York, Bombay, Paris. Oh, and it's even got Paris on the suitcase. Yeah, lovely. So I have got the standard size. This is British size for an envelope. So I don't want to make it bigger than that because this is going to go through the post. And I'm going to, the standard size for us is 16.5 centimetres by 24 centimetres. So I'm actually going to draw around that. So this is the front cover. Draw around that. Now, you can actually, the other idea is you can decorate an envelope and send that as the journal kit, or you might just not want to send your journal. You might want to make this journal and use it yourself. It's all going to become clear. And then for the inside, I think I'd like this suitcase. So yes, I'm going to draw around this bed, and none of these other bits are going to get wasted. Oh, what I didn't take into account, if you have an envelope, you have to have a flap, don't you? Let me just, I will cut that, I'll cut that out, hold on. Oh, that's the front, and this is the back. I'll just sew that on. Yeah, let's do that. I need Seraphina's help. Seraphina? Here's Seraphina. Let's go around the envelope. This is the inside. Let's just put the flap on first. Oh. There. I cut out a new leader ender. That's the quilter's way of not wasting too much thread. And then when it's got lots of threads over it, I can make it into a little heart-shaped brooch. There we are. Snip that. And, oh, that's part of the envelope. And then that's it. I'm going to sew this together. Wonderful. You're so relaxing to play. So relaxing to play with Seraphina. Have a little sip of tea because we're not in a rush. Selvina. There we are. So I'm going to do mine up and glue it, and then people can open it. Or you might just want to leave yours just like this. I'm going to choose your front cover. I will choose my front cover here, and it's great because you're going to have an opening just there at the back or the front, wherever you choose to open it. So there's the beginnings of my little journal. So now I've got a lovely pile of papers. So let's make some papers that are going to fit inside the envelope and be a lovely size to make a journal. I'll tear one to start with so it can be a template. Oh, actually, there we are. That will fit in. I'll just tear it like that. Wonderful. Now the thing about a junk journal is it may become a place for people to write or make into an art journal. There we are. That's just one page, and it'll fit in nicely into there if it's going to be a gift, or if not, you can make yours like this. Oh, that's, there we have that. Actually, I don't think they need to be. That's the biggest it can be. They don't all have to be the same size. I quite like mine to be different sizes, but you do you. This is fun. That's it. Oh yes, with different sizes. Just a little bit torn off at the end. Some of these torn off bits will be nice to add as ephemera. Now, when I'm sending mail in the post, we call it post, you call it mail, I need to make sure it's not 5mm thick. There we are. Oh, some lovely papers. I'm not going to fold them. I'm going to let the person who receives them fold them, because I think it's going to keep them flatter for postage. Sam made me this template so I can measure if things are going to go through on 5mm. Yes, we've got room for some more papers. Oh, that's a lovely bright paper. Come on then, Freddie. It's nice to add a mixture of painty papers, and this is just really relaxing. Now, are you going to make yours to send off a mail? It's a one stamp, or just as happy now to somebody? Are you going to make this autumn fall journal for yourself? Of course. For some of our friends, you'll be maybe you want to make a spring journal. Oh, that's a nice dainty paper. Oh, I'm not folding it, am I? So let's see. That will be enough. So they'll be opening it. It'll be like this. That'll be lovely, actually. Yeah. Plenty scope for people to put their own creative ideas onto there. I've got this lovely baker's twine. I'm going to add some of that in the envelope. Let's make it nice and long. Oh, this was from that plant that I picked up on FreeCycle. So I'll put some of this in so when they get it, they can sew their signatures in or go round. Well, it only goes round once, but I just think it's so pretty. And then tie that, and then they'll be able to slot their papers in there. And that's my idea for a little journal. So let's pop the papers in, and I'm going to make some ephemera. Papers in and baker's twine. I've put it all in actually because it'd be nice for tags. So I cut out a Paris suitcase to pop in. Then I just happen to have a Paris stamp, and then it's up to the person who receives it. Do they want to pop in their own autumn bits, or just use it how they want to? Cut those little Paris bits off. Pop those in here. I won't sellotape it up yet because I'll have to put a little note in. Later on, I'm just going to glue that down. Let's just check it's still going through. Oh, it is. I think that. That's it. I will pop a label on, and I like to make sure it's going to stick. So I do this. And I'll write the address on there, pop a stamp on, and safe journey, Happy Mel. I made this journal 2023. Times have changed, the seasons, we reflect on change, don't we? These are quotes, community quotes in here from our lovely art community. I'll try and leave a link below for these. They'll be on a document, I'll find them. Gentle reminders. Coping and thriving through change. First be kinder to yourself, then let your kindness flow to others. Without a little rain, there would be no rainbows. If I've probably done a flip through for this, and I can leave a link below. If not, I will do a flip through. Have you got anything to show us in your journal, Flo? Oh, well found. That's a sticker from a birthday card. You don't waste anything, do you, Flo? Thank you so much for joining us. Oh, time's gone on. Julia's been round. starting a poncho for Julia. It needs to be ready by the 31st of October. She's going to a Halloween party and going dressed as the corpse bride. So I'm informed that that is blue. So it's a little poncho to go over her outfit. It's quite fine baby blue wool, so I'm using a 4mm hook. Shall we light a candle? Yes, let's do that. Just a little bit of time to take a breath. Yeah, let's do that. Find the matches. Just a bit of time to have a breath, and you've got people in your hearts, haven't you? Finally. These are lovely. Oh, there you are. I'm coming. Oh, lovely. Ah, lovely. Oh. Oh. Wonderful. It's lovely. Oh, can't even see them. Can't see the people.
You saw bats.
Yes, we saw bats. Can't see the dog. Where's Freddie? You can't see
You
him.
didn't see my foot.
Yeah.
I kind of smacked his foot, but he's okay.
Oh, it's lovely. No, you can't see the ground. Oh, it's lovely.
That was so cool.
Well, I start coming out earlier.
I like to see. Look at that cloud.